Hi, my name is Attorney Lance Robinson. I'm an attorney here in the New Orleans area, and what I want to talk to you today about is if you're arrested or you get a summons for a misdemeanor or a admissible charge, can I appear for you and you go back home if you're from out of state? The answer is yes. I appear for clients when they go back home, and sometimes they never have to come back. What I will do basically is get you to sign a affidavit saying they're not going to appear for you, and I'll notarize it, and I'll go to your first court date. At that first court date, I'll talk to the DA, look at the facts of the case, see if we can get dismissed based on the facts. And sometimes I can do it originally at the first court date. If that doesn't happen, then I would plead not guilty and set it for another court date. And at that point, you don't have to be there. You may never have to come back. But the bottom line is you don't have to be there for the next court date either. And I'll talk to the DA and see if the witnesses show up. If the witnesses don't show up, then sometimes the DA will dismiss it at that hearing. But then again, they allowed one continuance, so they may continue it one more time to see if the witness shows in. From my experience, the witnesses normally don't come back in. So at that point, if the case is dismissed, then I can expunge it off your record with no extra charge from the court because it's been refused. Now, as far as a felony, in Jefferson Parish and Jefferson Parish Commissioner Court, they allow me to appear for you on that first appearance until your case is either accepted or refused. What again I do is get you to file an affidavit, and I notarize it saying I can appear for you. And until your case is accepted, I can keep going back without your appearance. Once your case is accepted, if it is in fact accepted and set for a division with a felony, you will have to be there, and we'll have to get discovery and discuss strategy towards your case. Now, as far as a DWI, if you're from out of town or even in town, what I do is because it's a misdemeanor, I file a motion to enroll as counsel of record with the court, plead as not guilty when it does come in, it's accepted, and set it for trial. At that point, I get a copy of the police report and view the facts of the case. If the facts look like we can't beat it on a technicality or you blew over the limit, then if you're from out of state, I can go ahead and plead on your behalf. What I do is I file you a motion for extensia, plea abstentia, which I send to you, and what it is basically is you're pleading in your absence through me. You'll sign that, and we'll get it notarized in whatever state you're in, and we'll send it back here to court here. And at that point, I'll go ahead and plead, and whatever the court orders you to do, you can do it in whatever state you live in and send it back here to Louisiana. So really, for a misdemeanor, there's a lot of chances most of my clients don't come back to New Orleans for those charges. If you got any questions, just give me a call at 504-465-0101, and we'll do a free consultation, discuss the facts of your case and strategies as far as how to attack the